Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a telescope in Avatar World. So the telescope is one of the coolest interactive accessory in Avatar World, and in here I'm going to show you the exact location and how you can use it. For the location, first you just need to go to this area, the beach area in here. Okay, so I've already on at the beach. Now I'm going to just put my character so you can just explore in here or swipe until you find the telescope. Let's see in here. Okay, so there you go right here. So telescope is used by the Baywatch. You can just grab it to if you want to use it, you can just grab it and put it on you, or just like this. You can see there are three animations that you can do with the telescope. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.